Okay, we got this error message. We just need to finish off our program to prevent this error message from occurring. So what's happened is that if both fields are filled, okay, if that's got some information and that's got some information, a name and a comment, then this top part is in action and it posts to the database. However, if one of them is filled, then that's checked here and the information says all fields must be complete. However, if it's the home page and they're both empty, I really need to come below and just set the message to an empty message. So I've got an else, opened up my brackets, and I'm going to say that my message is equal to just nothing at all. It's an empty string, and that should take care of this error message here. So let's just check that. Let's go back to our view page, go back to our home page. No error message this time. Try and post something. All fields must be complete. Go to view, home, seems to be fine. Fill one in, post. All fields must be complete. I really want to sort of tidy this up as well. I can do that later. It seems to be outside of the container. Not an issue. Let's make a comment and post. Okay, all fields must be complete. The only problem is I'm not getting back to the home page. If I reload the page, confirm that I'm resubmitting, so I need to maybe check that out. But I'm happy with the way it's working at the moment. If I go to view, I've got loads of billies. So let's clear the database and let's start from scratch. View shouldn't have anything in the database. There we go. Home. Post nothing. All fields must be complete. Click on view. No comments. Okay. So let's put Gene in and click post. All fields must be complete. Go to view and no comments. Home. Let's put how is this so? Post. All fields must be complete. Let's go to view. No comments. Okay, let's make one work. Let's do Eric and what is happening? Click post. New comment added successfully. We've stayed on this page, which is what we wanted to do. If I go to view, we've got what is happening, and I can do that again by pulling out this page. So let's copy that, start in a new view window. If I just drag that out, that's beautiful, and go back to my home page. So I've now got my two windows. If I kind of pull this down a bit so I can have them side by side so we can see what is happening. Let's shorten this one, see if I can, as much as I can. There we go. I can be adding comments now. Mike and how are you? Post it and it should be coming up in my view any second now. There we go. Frida, no comment. All fields must be complete. It seems to be working just as I want, and it's clearing the names out as we go. Eric and hello world. Post. Again, it's clearing the fields as we go. We should have a comment pop up there. There we go. So everything's working quite nicely. We just maybe need to think about the spacing of this one. I'm going to leave that to you for the time being. I'm not going to make another video just to whiz that across, but if we really include that on index.php, if we include the footer inside of our container, which I haven't, so that's just a case of cutting that from there and pasting that beneath. It should now be part of the container, and hopefully there we go. It'll fit nicely on the page. Right, last little piece. Remember that I said populate.php is not needed anymore. In fact, I'm going to close that down. I'm going to go to my ext folder, and I'm actually going to delete that file. There we go. And now everything should work fine. It should be just the same. Mickey. Hi there. Let's try that one out. And there we go. Everything's working just the same. It's posting to the database, but I haven't got that populate.php file anymore. So there we go. That's our first attempt at tidying it up. There's millions of ways of tidying things up and changing the way they look. I can't make a video for every single item that we come across, but I have managed to do it so that we don't exactly leave this page and we get all the instructions we need when we're on the same page. So that's a good piece of work. Hopefully you enjoyed that.